have the Roccat Vulcan 121 and the SteelSeries Apex 3. In this video we'll go over the similarities and differences between these two keyboards. Both are full-sized wired RGB gaming keyboards. The Roccat Vulcan 121 is an RGB gaming keyboard with Roccat's ANO illumination, providing full backlighting with up to 16.8 billion colours. The Easy Shift technology enables the secondary function to compatible keys. It has mixer-style media keys and features Roccat's Titan tactile mechanical switches. It sounds like this. The SteelSeries Apex 3 is also a wired gaming keyboard with 10-zone RGB illumination. It has IP32 water resistance and dedicated multimedia controls. It features whisper quiet gaming switches which sound like this. Overall, both keyboards are ideal for users seeking a full-size customizable RGB gaming keyboard.
Hey guys, here's a quick in-depth review of the Royal Kludge S108 typewriter style keyboard. This keyboard always gives me compliments. It's super sleek and modern. I love the way it sounds. It's almost like ASMR. This keyboard always gives me compliments. People ask me where did I get this from. It's very almost futuristic. There's ways to change the backlit colors of this keyboard. I'll turn off the light so you can get a better view. You'll press the FN and insert key in order to change the color variations. Very fun. These that go back to the original one that I typically use. You have this one that's a stationary color. The FN delete turns them to more colorful variations of it. This one's very trippy. But I'd say this one right here is my favorite because it just gives a smooth illusion, almost like a wave-like feel. But yes, super responsive. I enjoy it very much. Everyone always asks me where I get it from. Super modern and sleek, and it'll get you tons of compliments, and it's great for gaming. Here's a closer look at the keyboard. Very sleek and modern. I'd say it's great for gaming, almost a futuristic look to it. Trust me, you will get tons of compliments with this one. I definitely recommend it.